Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in your Key to Memphis. And today I just wanted to give you a market update. I'm kind of looking in the past of 2018 and looking at what 2019 will hold for us. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Well, the market that we have right now up to November is what we have we don't have the final figures for the year and everything. As a whole, we've been up about 1% actually, and the dollar amount for the price point has improved has been up 5% for the year. A little bit lower than what we've seen in like 16 and 17, but up 5%, from where we were, that's good. So far, we have 4,301 listings actually to date, and last year at this time we had like 4,500. So you can still see that our listing inventory is down. It hadn't increased that much this year at all. But I think a couple things for 2019 that are going to affect us. The rates keep going up, which are knocking out some of the buyers, with interest rates, even though right around 5% is a great rate. But from where we've been, it's awful high and knocking some people out. And the adjustment that we've seen in the prices of the homes has made it, harder and more expensive, for buyers to get in as well. So I think that's going to change it. We've been a hugely seller's market. I think, that's going to change in 2019 as we progress and maybe become more of a balanced. 6 months is balance of an absorption rate. So if we're under that, it's a seller's, and above that, it's a buyer's market. But two good things have happened for 2019. FHA has raised their limits. Actually, we were at 294,515, and they just bumped it up for 2019 to 314,827 for the loan amount. So that means the contract price can be $326,245. On an FHA loan, you could put 3.5% down for a down payment. That's the least amount of money you can get in for a house, and it's FHA. So they've increased us about $20,000, which is good and helps a lot of us, buyers and sellers, both ways. And actually, the conventional went from $453,100 and it bumped up to $484,350. So that's good for the buyers out there and for the sellers because it could put you in a different bracket as well, which is great. So anyways, just some things to think about. I do think it's shifting. So if you think you're wanting to put your house on the market sooner rather than later, where we still are a seller's market, but happy to talk to you about that and kind of look at where you are price-wise and everything. So our team's happy to help and answer any further of those questions. So just reach out and let us know. Number is 901-729-9526. Thanks so much. Have a great day.